image for cancel. So image URL is cancel.jpg, image button name is imgbtn cancel, and command name is cancel. Okay, that's it. This is about 0th column index. Now click on tag again. First column, how it should display in edit mode. Okay, so we will not provide anything here. Next, emp id column, what it should display in edit mode. So edit item template. So you should not take text box here because emp id is primary key, so it has to display in label. So make use of label here. Label control, just drag and drop. Edit data bindings, text property, bind it to eval. For a while, let's say bind here the column name. What is that? emp id. Okay, next, emp name column, select it. Item template is the label, fine. Edit item template, when it is in edit item template, we should provide some input. So for input, take the help of text box. So in edit mode, text box will be displayed in the column emp name. So first go to the properties of text box and say id txt emp name and set the data bindings property here. Click on tag, smart tag, edit data bindings, text property to bind. So you should bind here, expression should be bind, okay, because you want to update it in the database. Column name, similarly emp name. Then we have gender. What should be there in gender in edit mode? It should be radio button list. Okay, radio button list I am taking. Edit items, first go to the properties and change the id. So I'll say something like rbtn gender, and here edit data edit items. Don't say edit items, say edit data bindings. Okay, no, in edit items. Add some items, 2 items. Okay, so in edit mode these 2 items will be displayed. Okay, and don't require any enable waterfall pack and all those things. Edit data bindings also we should say here. Obviously in edit mode it should display whatever the text is there. So I'll say selected value should be equals to bind we should use, then gender, bind expression. Okay, fine, completed. Next, salary, edit item template.
Did you do a typing mistake there? Was it bind in the column 4?
Okay, let me check. Yeah, great, Shubha. Bind, thank you. So gender column. Next, salary, make use of text box. First change the text box name, txt salary, then tag here, smart tag, edit data bindings, text should be equals to bind expression, to salary. Okay, then we have got designation. Here we are not going to take from the user input. Here we will provide some fixed designations. So I'll make use of drop down list here. Edit mode. In edit mode, drop down list should be displayed. Yes, I want some static items to be displayed in this drop down list. Edit items I am saying. So the items should be SR manager. The value should be same, okay, because we need to bind this only. The value property we will bind text. Next it is something like manager, team leader, developer, and designer. Okay, tester, project manager. Okay, these are the items, and it has to be binded. Okay, what is there, it should display in the drop down list. So edit data bindings, selected value should be equals to bind designation. Okay, yeah, what about now the last column, photo? In edit mode, what it should be there? Obviously it should be file upload control. Okay, file upload control in edit mode. Okay, change the ID, let it be file upload 1. We should not provide any edit data bindings here, because this control is cannot render anything like image, text box. We cannot display image in this control, so we should not provide edit data bindings. Okay, only select it, then bind it. It allows us to select the file, that's it. So we should not provide edit data bindings, because the control is different. What we are using at runtime will be image. Okay, so this was the case. Just say in template editing, when you say that, here the effect will not be seen in the grid view unless this grid view is in edit mode. This grid view should be in edit mode. You can see in gender it is not displayed the radio buttons, in designation it is not displayed the drop down list, and in photo it is not displayed the file upload. So when this grid view will be in edit mode, it will be displayed. So as we have handling the edit here, edit command we have given, we need to handle the event of grid view. Okay, go to the properties of grid view, events, row editing. Okay, row editing, when the user is trying to edit the row, so this event will fire. Double click to generate the event handler. Okay, and say something like grid view 1 dot edit row index is the property. Which row index you want to edit is nothing but e dot new row edit index. Okay, the current new edit index. Then bind the grid view. Let's see what is happening with these lines of code. Executing the page. edit. I'm saying edit. You can see in edit mode, text box it is displayed. Okay, here it is binded. Okay, sad is here and this is binded. Okay, file upload control is there. Okay, what we should do with this is nothing but we should not take a separate column for this. Delete is coming here also, so we will not take the separate column for this. Okay, let me change that. Edit columns. No, it's not like that. Edit templates. Control X. I don't want. So in first column only, 0th index column only, I will display here. Space Control V. Okay. Properties are command name is delete. Okay, fine. Image name is this. Fine. So now I can delete that column. In template editing, go to edit columns and delete that column. Second column. Okay, delete. Let us execute and see. So one column is there, empty column here. Two image buttons I am displaying in one column. So when I say edit, delete button will not be there for that row. Okay, delete button will not be there. Fine. What about now? You should say update and you should say cancel. When you say cancel, it should cancel the updation. So let's say cancel. So we did not handle the event, say row cancelling edit. It is giving an error. Okay, when we say cancel, so command name should be cancel. First set that command name. Okay, where is that command name in the source image button? Command name delete is there. Cancel. Yeah, cancel we have provided. Command name cancel is there, but we did not handle the row cancel event. Okay, we are just handling the row editing event. Let us handle the row cancelling event also for the grid view. So go to the properties of grid view, events, and say row cancelling. Yeah, row cancelling edit. Editing you are cancelling, so row cancelling edit will be generated. Fires when a cancel event is generated within the grid view. Double click. Here what you should say is nothing but when you say cancel, the edit index of the grid view you should set to -1. -1. Then bind the grid view. Let's see for cancel it is working or not. Edit, cancel, edit, which is invalid because it does not exist in the list of items. Okay, yeah,